Mother's Day is officially over. But wait, before you throw that bouquet out, let me show you what to do with it. First, you're going to cut off all the still vibrant flowers that aren't molded. Put them all in a bowl. Yep, keep cutting them off and just put them in a bowl. And then we're going to just strip any remaining flowers off of their stems. We don't want the stems. So just take off all the dried botanicals, just like this. Once you've got all the flowers off, you just want to mix them up until they're pulverized. Add in equal parts, if you can, estimate it, that's fine, of baking soda. That's right, baking soda. Mix it in. Finally, toss in some of your favorite essential oils. I'm using a combination of lemongrass and French lavender. Finally, we'll put that all in a bag, take it home, and then we'll sprinkle it on our carpet, let it sit for a few minutes, and then vacuum it up. This is a house hack, homemade and true. No waste, no fuss. Enjoy.